So, hello guys. So, the topic today is about the logarithm, the natural and common logarithm. So, this topic is under to the algebra subject. So, ganito yun guys. So, the logarithm, ito yung tinatawag natin common logarithm. And, ito yung tinatawag natin the natural logarithm. Gets? So, sa common logarithm naman daw, mayroon tong automatic na 10. Kapag walang siya nakasulat, halimbawa log of x, ibig sabihin yan meron siyang 10 dito kahit walang nakalagay. Gets? Next, sa ln x naman daw, ang ln e naman daw sa natural logarithm is always equals to 1. So hindi ko na gano'ng explain pa yung common and natural logarithm. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung formula, ipa-flash ko dito sa screen, then screenshot nyo na lang, kayo ng bala. Then katapos is proceed tayo sa mga problem natin para mas lalo nyo maintindihan. Gets? Hello guys, so here's the first problem for the natural and common logarithm. So, games guys, let's proceed. So, ito yung first nating problem. So, the logarithm of 2 and 5 with a 3. So, game. So, dito guys is, kung mapapansin nyo is, kapag meron ganito is naka-multiplication siya, di ba? So, yung formula sa multiplication is log of x and y is equals to log of x plus log of y, di ba? So, ito yung x natin, ito yung y. Gets? So, the logarithm of 3 and 2 plus the logarithm of 3 and y. So, ganun siya, guys. So, logarithm of 5 yan. 5. Yan, 5. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Gets? Inaayos lang natin sila into logarithm form o game. Dito naman, so the logarithm of 5, yung dito is logarithm of x over y is equals to log of x minus the log of y. Gets? So, ito yung x, ito yung y. So, the logarithm of 5, 30 minus the logarithm of 5 and 12. So, ito na yung answer natin guys. Gets? So, next, proceed naman tayo sa logarithm of 2 and 4 raised to 3. So, the formula for this one is n log of x n is equals to n log of x. Ito, n is ito yung 3. And then yung 3, dinala natin sa harap, which is ito. Gets? So, game. So, the logarithm of 3, dadalhin sa harap, log of 2 and 4. So, yan yung logarithm niya. So, ano guys? Gets? So, ibig sabihin, yan yung ito yung pinakasagot na sa logarithm form. Inayos lang natin sila into logarithmic form. Gets? So, next, proceed the logarithm of 10 of x is equals to 2. So, dito, hinahanap yung x. So, sa paghanap ng x, ito, kung meron nagpapansin nyo, yung number 10, the common logarithm, which is the 10, and dadalhin siya dito sa 2. So, halimbawa, x is equals to 10, then itong 2 magiging exponent. So, ibig sabihin yung x natin is equals to 100. Gets? Next, the ln of x and ln of 3. So, natural logarithm. So, ibig sabihin ng natural logarithm, so kapag ini natin dito, then ini natin dito, ibig sabihin, itong ln e maka-cancel kasi 1 lang yan. Then, x na lang matitira, and e raised to 3. So, ito na yung answer guys. Gets? So, next, proceed naman tayo sa ln of x is equals to ln of 2 plus the ln of 3 and plus the ln of 5. So, the ln of x is equals to plus. Kapag plus, pagta-times lang, di ba? So, 2 of 3 and 5. So, may ln yan dyan. So, next is over, hindi na kailangan natin ng over kasi wala siyang division pag may over lang. So, 2 times 3 times 5. So, ln of x is equals to ln of 30. Then, dahil naka-ln sila, both sides matatanggal na yan. So, yung natira is yung x niya dito. X is equals to 30. Gets? So, look guys. So, the next problem is the ln of x is equals to 2 ln of 1 half minus ln of 2 plus ln of 5 plus ln of 12. Gets? So, ln of x is equals to, dahil nasa harap siya, ibig sabihin exponent siya dyan. Gets? Kasi yung formula natin is log of x and n. Yung n dadalhin sa harap, which is n log of x. Gets? And yung n natin is 2. Then yung 2, pag binalik natin sa dati, dito siya sa exponent. So, dito niyan siya. 2. Gets? Okay, let's proceed. So, ln of x is equals to ln of 1 half squared minus the ln of 2 plus the ln of 5 plus the ln of 12. Gets? So, next, ayusin natin sila sa format. So, ln of x is equals to yung ln of 2 sa taas yan kasi wala nakalagay kung times o minus, pero plus yan. Then, minus sa baba, which is 2 plus 5 plus sa taas yan multiplication, and 12 taas yan multiplication. Gets? So, the ln of x is equals to calculator 1 half squared multiply sa 5 and 12. So, the answer is 15 over 2. Kung 15 over 2 yan, then may ln dito, ln. Next is, makakancel tong ln, matitira is x is equals to 15 over 2. So, 15 over 2 is equals to what? 7.5. Gets? The next is the ln of x is equals to 3 plus the ln of 5. So, the ln of x minus the ln of 5, lipat nyo, is equals to 3. The ln of x minus the ln of 5 is equals to what? Ln of x over 5 is equals to 3. Then, next is gagawin natin is to get the x is iano natin siya by Euler's number. So, ln is equals to 1. Ang natira is x over 5 is equals to raised to 3. Gets? To get the x, dapat matanggal yung 5. Divide both sides by 1 over 5. Next is, matitira si x is equals to what? 1 over 5 times to raised to 3 is equals to what? 3 over 1 over 5 is equals to raised to 3 times 5. 5 raised to 3. Gets? So, the next, the ln of raised to 4x. So, ganito yan guys. Yung 4x is exponent. So, dadalhin sa harap. ln of is equals to 1. 4x and 1 is equals to 4x. Gets? Next is the ln of 4x squared raised to negative cosine of x. So, ln of 4 plus the ln of x squared plus the ln of raised to negative cosine of x. So, the ln of 4 plus the 2 ln of x minus the cosine of x. Gets? So, bali hindi pa yan tapos guys ha. So, next is yung ayusin natin to. So, bali, ln of yan, meron yung ln of dadalhin sa harap. Then this will be cancelling is equal to 1. ln is equals to 1 always. Then ln 4 plus the 2 ln of x minus the cosine of x. Gets? So, the next problem is the 5 raised to x is equals to 7. So, dito, find the value of x. So, to find the value of x is ln natin sila both sides is equals to ln of 7. Then, katapos niyan yung ln of 5 raised to x is yung x mapupunta sa harap, which is ln of 5 is equals to ln of 7. Then, divide both sides by ln of 5. So, cancel x is equals to ln of 7 over ln of 5. Gets? So, the next problem is the ln x plus 1 and ln x minus 2. So, ln of x plus 1 naka-plus, so multiply of x minus 2 is equals to ln 4. Gets? Then, FOIL method, x squared plus 1x minus 2x. So, eto, x squared minus 2x, 1x, and minus 2 is equals to ln 4. Naka-ln both sides, matatanggal na to. Then, x squared plus x minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Transpose mo na yung 4. Minus 2, minus 2, and minus 4. Gets? So, ganito yan. Wait. So, the next is the x squared combined like terms. Minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Then, factor nito na pag pinag-times mo is 6 dapat. Then, pag pinag-add mo naman yung dalawang number, dapat is 1. Gets? So, x minus 3 and plus 2. So, equate mo sa 0 is x equals to 3 and x is equal to negative 2. Well, ito yun guys. Gets? So, the next problem is the 2/3 log 27 plus 1/2 log 25 minus log 64. So, nasa harap siya, dapat exponent siya yung letter n dyan, which is the log xn is equals to n log of x. Exponent dito yan, which is the 2/3. Then, nasa harap siya, eto yun. Gets? So, bali log 27 raised to 2/3 plus log 25 raised to 1/2 minus log of 64 raised to 1/3. Log of 27 raised to 2/3 is 9. Then plus log 25 raised to 1/2 is 5. Lagay nyo lang sa calculator nyo yan is, ito yung makukuha nyo. Minus log of 64 raised to 1/3 is log of 4. Then the log of 9 times 5. Ayan, plus yan, kaya naka-times over 4. So, which is log of 45 over 4. So, pwede na to guys. So, exponent approximately about 45 over 4 is 1.051612. Gets? So, the next problem is the 5 raised to 2x plus 1 and is equals to 3 raised to 5a minus 1. So, first is yung lagyan mo silang log on both sides. Then, the next, yung exponent mapupunta sa harap, which is 2x plus 1. And 5a minus 1. Gets? So, and then this will distribute mo, which is 2x log of 5 plus log of 5 is equals to what? 5a log of 3 minus log of 3. Gets? So the next is combine like terms. Wait, combine like terms mo siya guys. Letter A to guys ha. Letter A. Letter A yan. A. Kamali lang. Kala ko X. So pero A yan. A yan. A. Gets? Gets? So the next is the combine like terms. 2a log of 5 minus 5a log of 3 is equals to negative log of 3 minus log of 5. Gets? So the next is 3a log of, so before natin siya minus, hindi siya pwede minus. So next is yung gagawin natin is factor out natin yung a, which is a minus 5 log of 3 is equals to negative log of 3 minus log of 5. Gets? So the next is divide natin sila both sides by 2 log of 5 minus 5 log of 3 and 2 log of 5 minus 5 log of 3. So this will be cancel. Then a is equals to, lagay mo sa calcu yan, ang lalabas dyan is 1.19. Gets? So the next is the 3 raised to a is equals to 243. Log both sides is equals to yung exponent. So yung exponent mapupunta sa harap, and then divide both sides by log of 3 kasi kailangan natin dyan yung a cancel. So natira yung a is equals to, lagay mo sa calcu dyan, ang lalabas dyan is a is equals to 5. Gets? So guys, so write the following into the logarithmic form. So a squared is equals to 64, which is yung a natin is the 8 and the 64 is what? Is the y, and yung x natin is equals to 2. So kapag sinulat natin yan is log of 8 and 64 is equals to 2. Gets? Yung 8 natin is yun yung a, then the y is the 64 and the x is, sundan nyo lang to, is 2. Gets? Game. Next, proceed naman tayo dito. So 3 raised to negative 4. So sa pagsulat nito is log of 1/3, yung 1/3 natin, then 3 raised to negative 4, diba? So yung 3 natin dito nyan, yung negative 4 natin dito sa labas, and yung 1/81 sa loob. Gets? Sundan nyo lang to guys. Next, ito naman is x raised to, so yung x is 1 half pa rin yan, same lang siya dito. Gets? So log of what? X and y is equals to 1 half. Sundan nyo to guys. Gets? Next, so the 1/3, so the log of what? 1/3 is equals to 27 siya dito. 27 natin, which is the x, ito yun, x, and then next is the equals to negative 3. So ito yun guys. Gets? So the next problem is the ln x plus 6 and minus ln x minus 3 is equals to ln 5 plus 2. So this is the last problem, ln x plus 6 over minus yan, kaya division yan sa formula, makikita nyo yan, and ln of 5 multiplied by 2. So ln of x plus 6 over x minus 3 is equals to ln of 10. So ln both sides cancel. Ang natira is x plus 6x minus 3 is equals to 10. May invisible 1 dyan. Cross multiply, x plus 6 is equals to 10x minus 30. 10x minus 30. Ginawa ko dyan guys is yung 10 and x minus 3. Distribute mo. Ito yung makukuha mo. Gets? Next is the combine like terms mo sila. 10x minus 6 ay minus x is equals to 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6. So 30 plus 6. Lilipat na natin siya guys. O game. Next is the 9x is equals to 36 over 9 over 9. X is equals to 4. Gets? So that's all guys, and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.